7 Key Skills for Knowledge Workers. We are living in a knowledge economy, and it is obvious that acquiring and using knowledge is the key to success. Knowledge falls into 4 categories: know what, know why, know who, and know how. Knowledge work is important for any organization's success. It sensitizes an organization to consider not only tangible resources but also intangible ones. For better competitiveness, an organization really needs a strong knowledge management strategy. Knowledge workers are valued for their critical thinking, data analysis, problem solving, and decision-making skills. They drive innovation and progress in organizations. Research identifies 7 key skills for knowledge workers. 1. Thinking skills. The ability to analyze information critically and develop innovative solutions. 2. Communication. Effectively sharing ideas and information with clarity and purpose. 3. Teamwork and leadership. Collaborating with others while guiding and motivating a team toward common goals. 4. Lifelong learning and self-direction. Continuously seeking knowledge and taking initiative in personal and professional growth. 5. Technology use. Proficiently utilizing digital tools and platforms to enhance productivity and efficiency. 6. Ethics and professionalism. Upholding integrity and ethical standards in all professional interactions. 7. Personal management. Effectively organizing one's time, tasks, and resources to achieve personal and work-related objectives. Organizations should foster an environment that promotes the development of these skills.